guys, guess what we're going to make today? We're gonna make a squishy. What do you like? What do you like? Prefer to a dumpling or a butter? Just comment below if you like a butter or a dumpling. So we're gonna make today is a butter because we have a cheese and a dumpling. I'm so excited again because look at what things I have again to this here. We have some this to make, some paper to make with. So in my video, this is the face of this is the face of my melody dumpling that I made. So it's basa. So it's now wet because of a coffee. So this is again, just I was saying, we have a okay, and this is all we have. This is the dumpling that I actually made. This dumpling, and I just talk about this cheese squishy. So we have two of the squishy that I made. For today's vlog, we're gonna make a batter squishy. Wait. I was saying. So what? We're gonna make squishy. It's so cute, but it's like a banana. It's too small. It's like. Wait, I'm just gonna get a paper. Okay, so yeah. Got a pad. Got snacks. It's not the time me to make the squishy. The part for because of course